What if I told you there is a blockchain that is being built to survive the future of hacking? And right now, they are literally paying you to test it for free. No money needed, no experience required. This is DAC Quantum Chain. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get in step by step, click by click, before the window closes. If you're between 18 and 25, broke, no experience, no connections, no technical knowledge, and you've been wondering if crypto is actually for someone like you, you're in the right place. My name is Manuel, and on this channel, I show you exactly how to make your first real income in crypto, starting from zero. No jargons, no shortcuts, just click by click, step by step. Let's get into it. So what we have on the screen is, like I mentioned in the previous video, all our videos going forward are going to be structured to be mobile friendly for our community members, which means you can literally use the link in the description of the video and follow alongside with me as I'm doing what I'm doing, clicking the exact buttons that I click. Now, what you need to do next is make sure you're using this from your MySES browser on your mobile device, because as you can see, I have my mobile screen in front of us. Now, inside of the MySES browser, install the Rabi wallet extension and import your MetaMask wallet, which is your EVM compatible wallet. And once you do that, you're ready to go. I'm ready to go. So let's get in. Click on this button that says enter Inception. It's going to pop up 3 login or authentication methods. The first one is passkey. It's not available now. The second one is your email address. I personally don't like using email addresses because sometimes these project developers don't really roll out support for participants who use email, and I've noticed this personally. So it is best to use your EVM wallet. So that's the option we're clicking for this video. Click on your wallet icon. I just did mine, and I'll just go ahead, ignore out that information, and just click on connect. So now we're in, and a couple of informations going on currently on the screen. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through every single thing beginning from the top. We have the quantum energy score, which is a reflection of how many tasks I have completed currently, and next to that we have the faucet button, and then next to that is my wallet address. I can just click on the button and it's going to copy the address, and I can move it anywhere I want, basically. The next section is the daily check-in notification. I just click on the task. It's going to take me over to the my activity section of the application, but again, that's basically a rundown. Now, when you begin your connection for the first time, one of the things you're required to do is to connect also your socials account, like your X, like your Telegram, Discords. And for all of these tasks that you complete, you get points allocated to you as well. And if you scroll down, you would see the activity histories, and all the tasks are essentially broken down into groups. You have the onboarding group of tasks. Are you having a great time seeing this video so far? Why don't you go ahead and click on the like button as well as subscribe to the channel, because we have more detailed videos like this coming up in the pipeline, and you want to stay notified when they do. You have the faucet group of tasks, and if I claim faucets 10 consecutive times, I will get this amount of quantum energy, and that will be all for the faucet tasks. Now, for the transaction tasks, these are the number of transactions I can complete, and if I complete 10 transactions, hitting on this button, the sync button, it's basically going to run through and then check my transaction histories if I have up to 10 transactions. If I do, then these quantum energies will be granted to me. If I don't, then it's just going to stay black like this. And that is going to make it all for the my activity section. If we go back to the home, I just did now, you are going to see the early badge that I claim, which grants me 1.2x multiplier on all my quantum energies earned. That means any task that gives me 25 quantum energies, we're going to multiply that by 1.2, and that will give me what I get just by holding this badge. I don't know if you can still access this. Next badge is the Discord community quantum energy. You can click on the redeem, which would prompt you to connect your Discord account. Ensure that you're logged into your Discord account on your mobile device before clicking on this button. Do not make the mistake of leaving your NFT badges. Always mint out the NFTs, because both the quantum energies that you earn, I'm talking about this, and the NFTs that you mint, they both carry into your mainnet, which it goes without saying that it's going to have some level of rewards tied to it, so you don't want to leave NFTs on the table. It is very important. For the directives, Basically, these are some of the things you can do. Follow on X, link your Discord, join the Telegram. Everything that I said before in the start of the video applies here. Over here, you can fetch your referral link that you can share amongst your communities. Over here, it shows my ranking history. So that's it. We're done with the home page. Now the next stop, the activities tab. I just click on the activities tab now. You can follow along with me on the video. If there is some information I shared earlier at some point in the video you did not understand, you can pause, take the video back and get what I said. But by all means, ensure that you not only understand the information that I am sharing, you're doing them, which is why our videos are now structured to be mobile friendly. So like I mentioned before, for each of the NFTs badges that you receive, ensure to mint the NFTs. So I'm going to click on the mint NFT buttons. Okay, so it's saying fetch, and before I started recording the video, I had previously tried to even mint the NFTs, but I was still getting similar error. I don't know what this is. Okay, so I'm going to give this minting of the NFT one more trial. I just clicked on the confirmation now. If it fails, then I would have to retry that again. We have just minted the NFTs, so it's all complete now. Guys, that's how you get it done. Next up is the quantum energy pool. This is where all the transactions, the burnings, the stakings, the withdrawals, everything happens here. I'm sure you're following alongside with me on the video. Just go ahead and click on the QE pool. I just clicked on mine now, and now we're here. So at the top of everything, we get the balance you're holding in your wallet, and then the rate. For every 1 DAC that you burn, you get a 1000 quantum energies in return, basically. And here is the interface to do the burning, which gives you more. And remember, the race is to stack as much as you can quantum energies and mint the NFT badges that you're given, because phasing or transitioning into mainnet, everything we do carries over to mainnet. So I'll just go ahead, for instance, put in 1 DAC as the max amount I will burn, and I will be receiving 1000 quantum energies. In any case, that's what we do. You just keep using the application. So the next stop is the quantum crate tab. You can follow along with me, click on yours as well. I just clicked on mine now, and now we can open this quantum crate, and the cost for opening this quantum crate is 150 quantum energies. You can just go ahead and hit on the open for free. This is the cost, this is our balance, and okay, for the sake of argument, we can just go ahead and click on the open for free. How many are we getting? Oh, it was empty, but we still got a badge, which is good news. So we can go back to the badge section, my badges, and check the particular badge that was given. I think it's the crate opener thing. So these badges are basically earned when you hit certain thresholds. It's not like the conventional badges. So that's exactly how you interact on the DAC blockchain testnet. Remember, every single person winning in the crypto space started from the exact position that you're in right now, and that's 0. The only difference is they had access to the right information and took action, and this is what Overworks is here to do. If this video helped you, please subscribe, because next week we're covering how to interact on the Sodex per DEX trading platform. And if you're on X, follow me at OvoEmmanuel1, because I drop tips there that don't make it to these videos. Drop a comment below telling me exactly where you're starting from, and I'll see you guys in our next week's Friday video, and the time is 5 p.m.